as I was running my Javadoc tool to generate documentation comments for my class, I got this warning that says use of default constructor, which does not provide a comment. So basically, this is just a Javadoc warning saying that our class does not have a documented constructor. It is optional, but to get rid of the warning, we can fix it. So at this point, I don't even have a default constructor. So I'm just going to add one. So I'll add one public. Remember, the constructor should have the same name as the class. And I'm just going to put a comment here saying no initialization needed for this simple example. And then what we want to do is add a documentation comment, which is saying just something like default constructor. And I'm going to use an inline tag to have some sort of that formatting. And I'll just paste the name of the class. So that will just give us some different font for this part. Maybe we'll say a little bit like initializes a new instance of a class. Although I'm not really initializing anything at this point, but that's just an example. So even if the constructor here doesn't do anything, but adding a Javadoc comment clears the warning because now Javadoc can generate documentation properly. Let's see how that works. I'm just going to run the documentation tool again. And the warning has been resolved. So I'm just going to refresh my documentation, the generated documentation tool, and then I'll click on constructor summary, which pretty much gives me more information about my constructor. So we've resolved the warning, and then we also added more information about a constructor if we had more information about it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.